Hi students, how are you? I think you all are fine. Okay, have you studied the last class portion? So last class you have studied sun and moon, isn't it ma'am? So now we can study stars. Stars, okay. Okay, stars, you know stars, isn't it ma'am? The stars like the sun, isn't it? Like the sun. Stars also huge balls of fire. You know, isn't it? Already you know stars are also balls of fire. Okay, huge ball of fire. They appear in teeny dots of light because they are very far away from us. Okay. So the sun is also a star. The sun is also a star. It is a star closest to the earth. Okay. It is a star closest to the earth. So this is the star, isn't it? So this is the star. Okay. So you know the star, isn't it, ma? So the stars also huge ball of fire, isn't it? Stars also huge ball of fire. They appear as teeny dots of light because teeny dots. Okay, it's appear as teeny dots. Okay, teeny dots of light because they are very far away from us. Okay, the sun is also a star. Okay, the sun is also a star. Okay, it is the star closest to the earth. Okay, then so to look at the moon and the stars at the night in the sky, isn't it? You know, isn't it? So we use an instrument called telescope. Telescope. What instrument? Telescope. Okay. What instrument? Telescope. So this telescope helps us to see far off object. Okay. Far off object. Far means distance. Okay. Far means very long distance. Okay. So far off objects. Okay. So this telescope helps us to see far off objects such as the stars, moon and planets clearly. Okay, ma'am. Understand? All of you understand? Okay. So this we use the instrument called telescope. Why? The moon and the stars in the night sky, isn't it, ma'am? So we can use an instrument called telescope. So this telescope helps us to see far off objects such as stars, moons and planets clearly. Okay, understand? All of you understand? Then next one is some stars appear to form a pattern or shape in the sky. Okay, pattern or shape in the sky. All of you look at your book. All of you look at your book. See the book. See the book. Okay, pattern. Some of the stars appears to form a pattern or shape in the sky. Pattern or shape in the sky. So such patterns formed by a group of stars. Okay, such patterns formed by a group of stars. Okay, this group of stars are called constellations. Okay, this group of stars are called constellation. Okay, what is constellation? What is constellations? Patterns formed by a group of stars. Group here, one group, here groups. Okay, group of stars are called constellation. Okay, so this is the Great Bear Group. This is the Great Bear Group. This is a Orion. Okay, this is the Orion Group, the Hunter Group. Okay, so two constellations you can easily identify the night sky. Okay, easily identify the night sky. So what is constellation? Some of the stars appear to form a pattern or shape in the sky. Okay, ma, pattern or shape in the sky. So these patterns formed a group of stars. Here two groups having no. So group of stars are called constellations. Okay, so what is constellation? Patterns formed by a group of stars are called constellation. The Great Bear and Orion. Okay, so this is the Hunter group. Okay, so two constellation, group is having. Okay, two group of stars. So two constellations. So you can easily identify the night sky. Okay. Can you spot any of these in the night sky? Okay. Yes, isn't it, ma? Okay. So that is stars. Okay. Now all of you understand. Now all of you understand. Okay. Next one is astronomers. Astronomers. Okay, astronomers. Who is astronomers? Astronomers means the people who study the object in the sky. Okay, who is astronomers? Who is astronomers? The people who, okay, any people. People who study the object in the sky. Okay, that is called that. People is astronomers. That people is astronomers. Okay, they have identified many constellations. So now you have studied two group of stars, isn't it? Two group of stars. So two constellations you study. The Great Bear and Orion, isn't it? So they have identified many constellations, many group of stars. Okay, many constellations. Some 1500 years ago, in Indian astronomer Aryabhatta. Okay. So this is one of the man. Okay. So in the 100 years ago in Indian astronomer Aryabhatta was Indian astronomer. Okay. So Aryabhatta explained that the earth. Okay. Aryabhatta explained that the earth is round and rotates on its axis. Okay. Aryabhatta explained. What is explained? Aryabhatta. So Aryabhatta explained that the earth is round and rotates on its axis. Okay. So that one is explained Aryabhatta. Okay. He also said that the moon has no light of its own but shines when lit as sunlight. Okay. So who is telling? Aryabhatta. Who told? Aryabhatta. Okay. Aryabhatta, Indian astronomer. Okay. Aryabhatta, Indian astronomer. Aryabhatta explained. What one is explained? That the earth is round. Earth is round and rotates. Earth is round and rotates on its axis. Okay. On its axis. Then he also said that the moon has no light. Moon has no light. You know, moon has no light of its own but shines when it's lit by sunlight. Okay, so only sometimes the moon at night time very light. Okay, so that told Aryabhatta. Okay, then Bhaskara and Varhamira were two other great Indian astronomers of ancient Indian. Oh, ancient means oldest. Okay, ancient Indian. Galileo and Italian, and Johannes Kepler, German, and other famous astronomers. Okay, so astronomers are people who study the object in the sky. People who study the object in the sky, that people are astronomers. So the Indian famous astronomer Aryabhatta only explained that earth is round and rotates on its axis. Okay, understand? All of you understand? Okay. Okay, all of you take your book. Take your book. Page number 131. Page number 131. Page number 131. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. Page number 131. Circle the odd one out in each of the following. First one, full moon, half moon, Uranus, crescent. Full moon, half moon, Uranus, crescent. Uranus. Answer is Uranus. Circle Uranus. Second one, Mercury, Saturn, Sun, Earth. Mercury, Saturn, Sun, Earth. Answer Sun. Third one. Star, moon, crater, satellite. Star, moon, crater, satellite. Crater. Okay. Then Roman letter 2. Roman letter 2. Write true for the true and F for the false statement. First one. The moon is our closest star. The moon is our closest star. The moon is our closest star. No, isn't it? Yeah? Is it correct? Is it correct? False. Okay, answer is false. Answer is false. Then second one, the sun revolves around the moon. The sun revolves around the moon. False. Okay. Then third one, Saturn is the lightest planet. Saturn is the lightest planet. Saturn is the lightest planet. Is it correct? Okay, answer true. So first one is false, second one false, third one true. Okay. So once again, Roman letter 2, true or false. First one, the moon is our closest star. Answer false. Second one, the sun revolves around the moon. Answer false. Saturn is the lightest planet. Answer true. Okay. Then next page number 133. All of you take page number 133. 133. Page number 133. Filling the blanks with the correct words. Filling the blanks with the correct word. First one, the earth goes around the sun in its. First one, the earth goes around the sun in its dash, orbit or track. Answer orbit. Answer orbit. Second one, the moon is the earth's telescope or satellite. The moon is the earth dash, telescope or satellite. Answer satellite. Answer satellite. Third one, the holes on the moon are called dash. The holes on the moon are called dash. Craters, faces. Answer craters. Answer craters. Then fourth one, the instrument that helps us to see far off object is called a dash. The instrument that helps us to see far off object is called a dash. Microscope, telescope. Answer telescope. Answer telescope. Then fifth one, dash is a constellation. The Hunter Aryabhatta. The Hunter Orion. Okay. So the dash is the constellation. The Hunter. The Hunter. Okay. Once again, all of you look at your book. Filling the blanks with the correct word. First one, the earth goes around the sun in its orbit. Second one, the moon is the earth's satellite. Third one, the holes on the moon are called craters. Fourth one, the instrument that helps us to see far off object is called a telescope. Then the Hunter is a constellation. Then true or false? B. True or false? First one, there are many craters on the moon. There are many craters on. Is it correct? Isn't it? So answer is true. First one, answer is true. The second one, Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. So answer correct. True. Okay. True. Then third one, new moon looks big and bright. New moon looks big and bright. New moon looks big and bright. No, isn't it? So that is false. False. Fourth one, all stars are huge ball of fire. All stars are huge ball of fire. No, isn't it? So answer is false. Then fifth one, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky using a microscope. No, answer is false. Okay. So first one answer is true, second one is true, third one is false, fourth one is false, fifth one is false. Okay. Once again, all of you look at your book. True or false? First one. There are many craters on the moon. Answer true. Second one. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on the moon. Answer true. Third one. New moon looks big and bright. Answer false. Fourth one. All stars are huge ball of fire. Answer false. Fifth one. We can see the moon and the stars in the sky using a microscope. Answer false. Next, choose the correct option. Let's see. Choose the correct option. First one. First one. Which of these is not a planet? Which of these is not a planet? A. Earth, B. Orion, C. Uranus, D. Neptune. A. Earth, B. Orion, C. Uranus. So which of these is not a planet? B. Orion. B is the correct answer. Okay. So second one. Which of these is a constellation? Which of these is a constellation? A. The Hunter, B. Kepler, C. Galileo, D. All of these. First one A. Answer the Hunter. Hunter. Then third one. Who among of the following is not an Indian astronomer? Who among of the following is not an Indian astronomer? A. Aryabhatta, B. Kepler, C. Bhaskara, D. Mihira. Okay. So who among the following is not an Indian astronomer? Kepler. Okay. B. Kepler. Fourth one. Which of these is not true about the moon? Which of these is not true about the moon? A. There are many holes on the moon. B. There is no air on the moon. D. C. It does not have light of its own. D. There is water on it. Answer D. There is water on it. There is water on it. Then fifth one. Which of these is not a phase of the moon? Which of these is not a phase of the moon? A. New moon, B. No moon, C. Crescent, D. Full moon. So answer B. No moon. No moon. Then sixth one. Which is the largest planet? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus, D. Mercury. A is the correct answer. Jupiter. Jupiter. Then seventh one. Next page. Seventh one. Which of these is true about the moon? Which of these is true about the moon? It first one. It moves around the earth. B. It changes its shape. C. It has craters. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. Then eighth one. What is a group of stars that make a pattern called? A. Telescope, B. Constellation, C. Astronomer, D. Satellite. Answer B. Constellation. Answer B. Constellation. Okay. So the first one answer B, second one answer A, third one answer B, fourth one answer D, fifth one answer B, sixth one answer A, seventh one answer D, eighth one answer B. Okay. Thank you.